Today, Tristan and Elyan will play
Shooting challenge!
Yay! Tristan, what are the targets?
These white balls.
Oh my god! Elyan, make the targets ready.
Okay. Whee!
Yes! Our balls are ready for shooting! Come boys, now we will choose our gun. Elyan, choose your gun first.
Yeah!
Yes, Elyan choose his gun. Show us your gun. That's a good one. And Tristan, choose your gun. Yes. Tristan choose the good one. Now we will play. Let's shoot. Who will start? We will decide it with rock, paper, and scissors. Let's do it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Tristan is starting. Let's do it, Tristan. One point for Tristan. Tristan, put your point. Yes, 1 point for Tristan and 0 point for Elyan. Let's play, Elyan. You forgot something. 1 point for Elyan! Yes! Put your point, Elyan. Yes! 1 point for Elyan and 1 point for Tristan. Let's do it, Tristan. Zero. Elyan. Zero. Zero. One point for Bravo Elyan. Good done. 2 points for Elyan and 1 for Tristan. Balls are ready. Tristan, it's your turn. Let's do it. No! Elyan. Zero. Tristan. Zero. One more point for Elyan. Good done, Elyan. Ball in place. 1 point more. 3 points. And Tristan, 1 point. Tristan, your turn. Tristan, on the line, please. Yes. 0 point. Elyan. Oh my God! Elyan! 1 more, and it is 4. Yes. And Tristan is still 1. Tristan? Elyan, put the ball back. Where's the ball? Yes. Good done, Elyan. Tristan, shoot. Oh my God! Tristan has now 2 points. Elyan. If Elyan shoots one more, he wins the game. No. Tristan. Tristan is concentrating. Ready and shoot. Whoa! Bravo, Tristan. Tristan has 3 points and Elyan has 4 points. Elyan needs only 1 point for winning the game. No, Elyan. No! Next time. Tristan. No! Elyan. One more, Elyan, then you are the winner. No. No! Tristan. Let's do it. 1 point more. Elyan. Yes! The winner is with 5 points, Elyan. Good done, Elyan.